In this video tutorial, we will show you how to set up your pipeline for Spanner to BigQuery using Striim's Flow Designer. Through this process, we will show you how to use Striim to create an incremental batch application. First, we will set up your application to get all of your data moved over to BigQuery. To get started, we will go to the Create App page in Striim. Name your new application. Search for your desired components. Next, you can drag and drop your correct source, in this case Spanner, and target BigQuery. Name your new source. Configuring your source requires your adapter name, URL, and reference tables. Under Advanced Settings, you can select your polling interval, start position, and other preferences. You can add a query to an application. Click the plus sign symbol to select your component. In this case, a continuous query component will change the operation to delete when the column in Spanner is assigned for deletion. Write and name your query and click Save. Now that you have your source configured, you will configure your BigQuery connection. Click the plus sign and select Target. The same information is required when setting up your target. Name your target and include the adapter name and tables. Under Advanced Settings, make selections such as your service account key, mode, and batch policy. Under Advanced Settings, make selections such as your upload files, mode, and batch policy. Once you have set your preferences and reviewed your source and target, we will deploy your application. Click the eye icon to preview the data stream. Select Start App and watch as the initial load is completed in real time. In BigQuery, we will double-check that all events were written by running a query. We will run several commands in Spanner to show that the application is moving events over to BigQuery. Watch as we insert new changes to the data set and see as the data is moved over to BigQuery. Additionally, we will update and delete records in Spanner and validate them on BigQuery. In this video, you have seen an incremental batch application for a Spanner to BigQuery pipeline created and running in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.